In this demo, we will introduce ourselves to the various capabilities of the TruCheck DPM Tower and how to utilize them. DPM stands for direct part marking, a process in which barcodes are directly applied to the material of a product. These types of barcodes are typically difficult to read, but Webscan's DPM units have special technology built in to verify them accurately. Begin by plugging in your DPM tower to both a power source and your computer. After, open up the Webscan TruCheck app. If the program asks you to calibrate your remote, do so using a calibrated conformance standard test card. Due to the ability for the DPM tower to adjust heights, you will need to focus your unit before calibration. Begin by centering the calibration card under the verifier and selecting Go Live. If you are out of focus, a message will appear prompting you to adjust the wheel until your camera is in focus. Focus is achieved when the indicator spot falls within the circle indicated on the screen. Adjust your unit until this occurs and the red circle turns green. Once focused, you can verify that your calibration card is centered by once again selecting Go Live and referencing the live feed in the app. Now navigate to the Options drop-down menu and select Calibrate Remote. Select the symbology you will be verifying with and input your card's respective Rmin and Rmax values. After calibrating, you should receive a message stating that you've successfully set Rmin, Rmax, and pixels per mil. If this is not the case, repeat calibration. For this demonstration, we will be in single mode and will verify a 2D barcode. However, all 2D Webscan verifiers have the ability to verify 1D codes as well. Next, select the Options drop-down menu once again and choose Settings. Here, you will personalize your settings in order to correctly verify your specific symbology. Select which type of symbol you will be verifying and choose an appropriate aperture. All other options depend on various verification grading standards and are explained more thoroughly in your user manual. Select Save to return to verification. Place your barcode within the field of view and select Go Live. You will most likely need to set the focus again, so proceed as you did before. Once focused, select Verify Code to begin verification. On the right, you will see a brief report showing the overall grade your barcode received, along with specific grades for each verification standard. The Data Detail tab lists the information encoded in the barcode. Under General Characteristics, you will find basic measurements referring to the physical barcode itself. Quality Detail gives verification results for each parameter specified by your specific grading standard. Advanced Detail displays an in-depth look at the modulation grade of your barcode. Black and white portions of your barcode that appeared more gray are shown by the red squares and are reasons for lower modulation grades. The Histogram tab shows a visual representation of the barcode's dark versus light space. Dark pixels or modules accumulate on the left, while light pixels or modules accumulate on the right. The Report tab contains a detailed summary of the information we just covered. This report is customizable under the Settings menu and can be printed or archived automatically. This demo was only a brief introduction to the DPM Tower, but it should be enough to get you correctly verifying barcodes right away. Please consult your user manual for more detailed information or contact us at www.webscaninc.com/contact.